Previously on Werner's Adventures, we explored Outback, South Australia, the Dares Hill circuit around Terowie, a small outback town. In the deep, arid outback landscapes, sheep stations, wheat, barley, cattle grazing, we explore some of the abandoned cattle stations of the outback of South Australia. In a previous video, we took you to the Kachala station, crossing the Goyters line. We also seen some of the ruins, the dilapidated sheep stations along the Dares Hill tourist drive. Situated in the mid-north region of South Australia, the small township of Terowie, about 220 kilometres from Adelaide, Terowie Regional Council of Goyta retains a number of authentic, well-preserved historic buildings from the 1800s and from the Federation bygone era. A small historic town that remains a town of interest to the railway history. The town grew into an important railway junction in South Australia's mid-north, playing a vital role in regional transport until the railway line closed in 1970. The historic township was established in 1872 by John Ava Mitchell. Some of the original buildings still remain: the Terowie Hotel, the historic railway platform, former railway cafeteria, and the Porters Building, all reminders of the town's busy railway past. As you go through the town, it reminds you of the historic past of a bygone era. Some of the buildings derelict and abandoned are reminders of a small, thriving town steeped in history. Terowie also served as a primary filming location for the critically acclaimed feature film The Survival of Kindness and the internationally co-produced television thriller series The Tourist. Now I explore the abandoned shearers' quarters on the property of the Pandata sheep station, situated on the Dares Hill Circuit tourist drive. On a previous video I explored the main homestead of the Pandata station. The authentic outback station would have sheared 70,000 plus sheep in the days where the wool industry thrived. Shepherds were employed to tend mobs of sheep and cattle and yard them each night from foxes and wild dogs and the occasional dingo. Due to the amount of water now unavailable to livestock, native animals on the property go for miles in search for water. Kangaroos are so plentiful that mobs of 50 to 100 are commonly seen. Emus are also prominent, as are many types of birds, reptiles and wild goats. So let's go into the past and see what remains of a once thriving sheep quarters, forgotten, lost in time.
Here we go, guys. We have another one. Alright, let's go and have a look at this one. Now I did see some kangaroos jump out of this, so let's hope there's none in there. Yeah, this one is, let's have a look. Oh, what a mess. Oh, I'm a bit nervous because, yeah. Alright, well, there's no reason there. Ooh, what the hell is that? What the hell is that? It's a bat. I might have to try and get it out. I'll just move. Oh, there's either bees or... yeah, I'm not sure. Oi, bird, stop. It's a bird. Oi, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to try and catch it. Alright, go out, go out, go out. Oh, I've got it. It's alright, it's alright, I'm going to let you go. Look at this, guys. It's a welcome swallow. It's alright, I'm not going to hurt you. I'm going to let you go. It's alright, I'm not going to hurt you. Go on. There you go. That was cute. Alright, you want to come back in, don't you? Alright. I think he's got a nest in there, but we're going to have a quick look. What's in here? Bathroom. Wow, that's cool. That is heaps cool. Yeah, that bird was a welcome swallow. He must have had a nest, so I must have scared him and he couldn't get out, but I did let him out, so he'll come back in when we're gone. Alright, I'll just close that door so the kangaroos don't go in there. That's an old lock. And this place is quite cool, actually. This might have been the kitchen. That's a cool cupboard. Oh wow, there's some old ever-ready batteries in here. Here they are there. You don't see them anymore. I don't know if you can hear the flies, but there's so many flies in these old homes. Look at the wallpaper. Okay. Gee, it would have been hot here in this home. Actually, it is quite cool, so it's well ventilated, but this would have been a kid's room. Okay. Oh wow. This is the lounge room. It's ace. This is so cool. Yeah, that is cool. Alright, wasp nest. Alright, I wonder if this goes to the outside. No, it goes to another room. Actually, this home is quite big actually. This is massive. And then there's another room by the looks of it. Alright, so what I'll do... Oh, that's the outside, so yeah, we won't go out there. Alright, so we'll just go back out again and close this door so the roos don't get stuck in here. Right. We had a look in, we had a look in this room, didn't we? Yes. But we didn't look in this room. Yes, we did. I'm confused now. Ah, here we go. We have a bathroom. The old showers. What you can hear is loads and loads of flies. The hell is that noise? Yeah, there might be a reel in here. Maybe. It'll run out. It'll run out. What on earth is that? Is that a cot? What, you put a child in that? I mean, wow. Well, at least they won't get out. Wow. Right. I'm just seeing if I can see a date on that paper. No, I cannot see anything. Alright. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah. Alright, we'll just get some more of the outside and we'll see you on the next one.